Hi everyone. So this is just a quick little video to help explain what I'm expecting to do between week 10 and week 11 in Arranging 1. So your homework assignment is to select a tune to arrange for your final project, to prepare a lead sheet, and to do a couple of preliminary sketch exercises. There is a PDF that explains all of this available on OL, and I just wanted to show you what it might look like. So I've chosen to do Yesterday, the Beatles tune. So this is a lead sheet I got from a fake book. And the first thing that you need to do is you need to make your own lead sheet. So what I did is I took the lead sheet I found, and I put it into Finale. You need to put the notes into Finale anyway, but as I put the notes into Finale and the chords, I changed a couple things. The lead sheet here has an introduction and an ending that I'm not going to use. I don't find that very useful. And then also occasionally I'll change like the chord symbols so that they are like chord symbols that I'm more comfortable using. Like I like using this symbol for major 7. And then also I'm making the phrasing look a little bit better. Like I want to be able to understand where the 4-measure phrases end up and stuff like that. Now, I also made a little form chart of what my potential final project could be. So everyone's form chart should look fairly similar, although depending on your tune, it might look different. So everyone's going to have an introduction and an ending. You're going to go through the form of the tune once. You need to give yourself around 8 measures to do a creative composition aspect, which we'll talk about in a future week, probably week 11. You'll go through part of the form again, and then you'll have that ending. This is not set in stone. I just want you to, just so you can wrap your mind around things, I want you to have a plan. You can change this later. So you need to make your own lead sheet. You need to write a form chart. And then you need to sketch out, using traditional notation, what the rhythm section might look like. So I've done a little bit more than what you need to do. So I started getting the score together. You don't really have to do it this way, but if you got time, you might as well begin. And for each instrument, I have an idea of exactly what I'd want them to play. Now, I can change this later. I can cover it up with slashes later, but this will give me a foundation to build on. So I'm going to do here Yesterday as a bossa nova. So I have my traditional bossa nova drum set groove. I've got a bossa nova bass groove, and I've got some comping rhythm ideas in the piano and guitar, and I went ahead and put the melody in the tenor sax. I'm going to do tenor sax here. So this is what you have to do for class due next week. You have to pick a tune. You have to prepare your own lead sheet. You have to get a form chart together that'll probably look a lot like this, although different forms or different tunes have different forms. And then I want you to get around 2 measures of completely notated rhythm section writing. None of this stuff is set in stone. You can change it later, but if you get it started, it's a lot easier to edit what is already there. All right, cool. I hope that helps explain the homework for next week. Thank you. Bye.